Here is how to find your Google password if you forgot it. So this is quick and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and launch your Gmail application and log into your specific account that you want to access the Google password for. Then tap on the profile picture icon from the top right corner of your screen and here tap on Manage your Google account. Now from this page, you need to go ahead and tap on Security and Sign In. That is below Personal Info. Now scroll all the way down and there you'll get the option of Password Manager. Go ahead and tap on that. And here, if you have saved your Google password, and you'll see the eye icon over there, tap on that to reveal the password of your Gmail account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.